Today, I'm going to share with you 3 reasons how mindset affects your sales performance, your results. Hello there and welcome back. It's Francois from howtobecomemore.com. Everybody in this tribe is heart-centered and service-driven, and that's what makes a difference compared to many other people in the sales field today, or that want to use words to influence people. How? And when they have a problem and you have a solution, you can bridge that gap. So how mindset can actually drive your sales results? Let's dive into it. Reason number 1, confidence sells. If you think about it, the way that we communicate with people, as Tony used to say, 7% is the words that we use, 38% the tonality that we use, and 55% our physiology, the way that we stand. And so if we're slouched, looking down, when people are asking us questions, we're looking up, how does that reflect confidence? It doesn't. The way we move our body, looking straight in the eye of the other person, brings confidence, putting a smile on your face. These are small things that are in your power. You don't need to take a course for this. Just applying what I told you and it becomes habit. And so it's very important that when we convey information to people, they can feel that we have the confidence about it. Reason number 2, resilience in the face of rejection. Let's face it, you and I, we face rejection each and every day. And that's okay. One keyword that Tony used to say all the time is reframing. How can we reframe what's going on? If you pick up your phone or you're on a Zoom call and people says, no, I'm not interested. What can be done with? One of the things that can be done is you say to yourself, how can I turn this around? How can I make better decisions from this? What am I doing? I'm asking questions. I got this book here called Questions Are the Answer. I've had this book for 20 years, never really read it because when I got into it, it was not what I thought. But the title of it, Questions Are the Answer, enabled me to change the questions that I ask myself in the face of rejection. Give you an example. Someone rejects you, says, why do people always reject me? You see the physiology of my body going down? Why is it rejection all the time? I can't take this anymore. Or, that means I need to work on my craft. What else can I do to get better when I communicate with people and have fun along the way? Do you see that just by changing this question enabled me to change my physiology, my tonality even got more enthusiastic, and my words came in and flowing fluently because I'm in the flow. Learn how to ask good questions. If something happens not good, says, why is this happening to me? Instead of, what can I learn from this? Or what could I learn from this? You ask it questions, it's going to give you answers. Also, Eric Loftholm, a trainer of mine a while back, said something that is very powerful as far as reframing. If we say, and we all need to, have to communicate with others, connect, outreach. When we do this, if we're rejected, we feel dejected. How about we reframe this? And check this out. He says, if you make a call, you win. If you book an appointment, you double win. You win no matter what. Therefore, if people reject you, it doesn't matter anymore. If you connected with someone, you win. If you made an appointment with them, you double win. You win no matter what. Number 3, the power of positive thinking. Positive thinking is something that people say, this is, very cheesy. Well, is it really? Let's bring it to the simple expression. There's only 2 states in which you, I, and everybody else can be. A good state and a bad state. If we're in a bad state and our shoulders are down saying, life is not good. You see how the body is acting in consequence with the thoughts that we have? And we're going like this in a bad state. You're angry, you're resentful. You can't fight your way out of a paper bag this way. Or if you start to say, the second state, which is being good. Yeah, I'm feeling good today. And I really feel that I can make a difference in someone else's life. Now, this is an exercise that I want each and every one of you to do. You're going to absolutely love it. Grab a pen and paper and write down 10 things that you make a difference in people's lives with the product or service that you offer. So write down 10 things that have a positive impact in the lives of those whom you serve. And as you write these things, I can guarantee you that your shoulders will back up. You're going to have a smile on your face. You're going to say, wow, this is good. Now you're going to be able, convincing yourself now that these are good. You're going to change your state. Sometimes you get discouraged, but you snap back out of it. How? Having tools like this. And that tool is fantastic. You just had a rejection on the phone or on a call. Read that list of 10 things before you do your next call. I guarantee you, your attitude, your confidence is going to rise up and people will have a tendency to listen to you more. So there you have it. I want to hear from you. How has your mindset or inner game has impacted your sales journey? Share your thoughts and the experiences in the comments below. And if you found the video valuable, why don't you give it a thumbs up and share it with someone and even subscribe so you can get more insights on a weekly basis. This is Francois from howtobecomemore.com wishing you all the best and make the best out of your life by making a decision on how the way that you think is going to be reflected in the way that you act and the results that you get in your life. You got this. Have a great one.